Hello, Geo Space. Hope everybody's doing okay out there. This is your weekly agenda for October 5th, and I'm going to jump right into it now. So, agenda, 3 things on the agenda this week. The first, overall, people put forth some great effort on the Stellar Evolution comic strip story, and so thusly have earned a little bit of time at the beginning of the week. I am also going to be introducing some information about the epic stars, which I'll explain momentarily. So you want to log in asynchronously, definitely on time this week, so you can get credit for the pair deck, and also use a little bit of time to finish and turn in your Stellar Evolution comic strip story. The second half of the week, we are going to be doing the remote epic stars summary sheet, which looks like this. You are going to choose one of these 3 things, right, phenomena, to do more of a deep dive on. Okay, so you're going to choose either the supernova, the neutron star, or the black hole to gain some information from 4 resources, summarize them, right? Take some big ideas out of them, and then write an actual summary of it. Okay, and so that's what this is going to be all about. So I'd take resource number 1, for instance, off of the black hole. What is a black hole? It's going to be a website or a short article where you have to read about it. You'll take the 2 ideas from that, summarize them here. Same with resource number 2, resource number 3, resource number 4. Combine all of it, synthesize, and then write a summary using this layout to summarize that phenomena, right? You will choose one of these. You do not have to do all 3. In the beginning of the week, I will kind of have some teaser, more information on what these things are, right? At the end of a massive star's life, they go supernova and either turn into a neutron star or black hole. So the bigger project this week will be this. I'll go over it in detail in class, but be sure to arrive to class and log in on time so you don't miss any critical information. But that's the week. So I will see you guys in class.